Our topic for today is Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, we are going to solve past papers for O levels. Last lesson was about sets, and the terminologies that were used in the sets will be used here in Venn diagram. This lesson is equally important for O levels as well as for CSET candidates. We are going to start one of the questions from past papers, that is from winter 3. Question number is 15. E, that is epsilon, that is a symbol for universal set. Now universal set is an integer. An integer are all the numbers that are basically maybe negative or positive, but here in this case they have told us the range for integers. Now that integers are basically from 4 to 16. So you will be writing here all the integers from 4 till 16. Now here this symbol, this inequality sign, this means x is greater than or equal to 4. Now because this is greater than or equal to 4, so you will include 4 in this set. Similarly, x is less than or equal to 16, which means because this symbol has the sign for equal to 16 also, so x will include 16 too in this set. So we will be writing all the integers from 4 till 16, and this is our universal set. The next one is P, a set of prime numbers, and in this case you will be choosing your prime numbers from your universal set. Now prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 5 from this set, 7 from this set, 11 from this set and 13 from this set. Now all these are prime numbers from your universal set. You have to choose your elements from universal set. The next set is S. Now that is a set of odd numbers, and you have to choose your odd numbers from universal set. Now 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15 are odd numbers from this universal set. And the last one is T, which is a set of multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 mean those numbers which are obtained as a result of multiplication of 3, but you have to choose the multiples of 3 from your universal set, and that are 6, 9, 12 and 15. So first of all you will be writing your elements of the given set. Now my first part of the question is list the elements of the set S intersection T. Now two things have to be known up to this point. What is the concept of elements and what is the concept of intersection? Elements mean those numbers which are present within these sets, and this symbol is of intersection. S intersection T means you have to combine or you have to take out common elements of S and T. Now if you look at S, this set is S, and if you look at T, now this set is T. Now if you observe, the common elements in S and T are 9 and 15. So you will take out those elements which are present in both in case of intersection of two sets. So that will be your answer. The second one was describe in words the set S complement. Now this prime indicates complement. The concept of complement is that if I am asking for S complement, that means those elements of E which don't belongs to S. For example, S complement is universal set that is represented by this symbol minus elements of S, the set whose complement is being taken in this case. Suppose if I am going to take the complement of A, then I will subtract the elements of A from universal set to get A complement. In case of S complement, you will subtract element of S from universal set. Now these are the elements of universal set from here, minus elements of S, because we are finding the complement of S. So subtracting the elements of S from universal set, you will cancel out the same elements 5 and 5, 7 and 7, 9 and 9, 11 will be cancelled out. Those elements which are present in both the sets will be cancelled out. Now the elements which are left behind in universal set after cancellation will be the elements that belongs to S complement. Now if you observe these elements, they are even numbers from 4 to 16. So you will represent that or express them in words as X is a set of even numbers that is greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 16. So you may write them in words only, you may express them in words that is from a set of even number from 4 to 16. So that is enough. Now the next one, the part 3 is you have to find n bracket p union t. Now here what is basically the meaning or interpretation of this symbol n? N bracket p union t means number of elements in the set of p union t. Now if you will find p union t, then this set was p and this set was t. P was a set of prime numbers and t was a set of multiple of 3 from there. Union mean you will combine both the elements of p and t, that is this one. Now this set contains element from p as well as from t. Make sure that you are not going to write any element twice if it is present both in p and t. You will write all the elements only once, but it should contain all the elements of p as well as all the elements of t. So union of p and t is this set. Now observe that how many elements are there in this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you will count the numbers in this set, then they are equal to 7. So number of elements in p union t is 7. The next question is from Winter 4. Question number is 18, and that is express in set notation as simply as possible the subset shaded in the Venn diagram. Okay. Now this is your diagram which is given actually in your question. Now these are supportive diagrams. You have to answer that this shaded region is basically answer of which type or which subset, how we can denote it in set notation. Now this shaded region belongs to A definitely, because this shaded part is inside A, the region of A. However, this shaded part is not present in the region of B as well as in the region of C. Now you have to observe here that your shaded part is present in A. Yes, it is not present in B and it is not present in C. Now when your shaded region is not in B, then it may be in B complement, which means the region outside the set B. And if this shaded region is not a part of C, then your shaded region may be outside C. That is the case here. The region outside C, all the region outside this circle of C is part of C complement. Now from here, from observation, my region is in A to some extent, it is in B complement to some extent, and in C complement the region outside C and the region outside B. Now if I will be shading B complement, now B complement mean you will not be shading B. Now this is B. In case of B complement, I haven't shaded B, I have shaded all the region outside the region of B. Similarly, in C complement, I have not shaded C, I have shaded all the region outside C. So when you are going to shade complements, you will not shade that particular circle. C complement mean don't shade C, shade all the region outside C. Now coming towards our question. Now this region is a part of A. Yes, it is a part of B complement because this is our region here in question, this one. So as from our diagram, this is present in B complement, this region is part of B complement, and this region in our question is also part of C complement. That means your region which is given in your question is part of A, B complement and C complement. So your answer will be, now this shaded region is common to A, B complement and C complement, which means it is common to all of them. Then A intersection B complement intersection C complement will be your answer, which means your shaded region belongs to A as well as belongs to B complement as well as belongs to C complement. The common of all of them will be your answer in this case. That's it from this question.